Today we're going to be looking at subtraction, particularly with 3-digit numbers. The real life scenario is just as before, many problems, keywords are the same, and once again you'll need a pen or pencil and some paper. Right, so we'll start off with our first couple of examples. First one being 150 minus 20. So using the column method that we learned last time, if you're still not sure of the column method, if you can just watch the previous video again and then move on to this lesson. So we've got 150 minus 20. 0 minus 0 remains as 0. 5 take away 2. So if you want to, you can use the number line at the bottom. So we've got 5, 2 spaces to the left, end up at 3. And you've got 1 left over. So the answer is going to be 130. The next example, 185 minus 45. 5 take away 5 gives you 0. 8 take away 4 gives you 4. And the 1 left over. So the answer is going to be 140. If you can take half a minute to a minute to attempt the two questions on the right hand side, and then we'll go through the answers. Right, so for this question you should have got 130. And for this one here you should have 130 once again. Moving on to some trickier examples, we've got 155 minus 56. So we can see that the 5 is smaller, so we'll have to borrow 1 from the tens column, so that becomes a 4. Add a 1 there, so that becomes 15. So 15 take away 6. If you want to use the number line, you can to help. That gives you 9. And we've got 4 minus 5. Once again, we'll have to borrow 1 from the hundreds column, so that becomes 0. So 14 take away 5 gives us 9. So the answer should be 99. Next question, 359 take away 278. 9 take away 8 gives us 1. 5 take away 7, can't do, so we'll have to borrow 1 from the hundreds column, that becomes 2. Borrow 1, so we take 7 away from 15, which is 8. 2 take away 2 equals 0, so the answer should be 81. Right, so for your independent work, what I want you to do is attempt 4 questions from the red column and 4 questions from the green. After that, if you can take a picture and upload that onto class charts, and I'll monitor to see how you're getting on.